Summer in Dubai, it's like living in a sauna.
But guess what? I found the perfect escape. You don't need to run away from Dubai anymore.
Thanks to LG Think Q app, I can turn on my dehumidifier from anywhere with just one single tap. It keeps my house cool and fresh without even lifting a foot. Quite literally. Yes, I broke my toe.
Just salama things.
Check this one out. It glides around with 360 degrees wheels like a ballroom dancer. And shh, can you hear that? No, you can't, because it is so quiet. I sleep like a baby at night while it shoots the allergen. I hate when my clothes smell moldy in the summer. No amount of perfume can fix that. Oh, that's nasty. Dry as a desert. Built with LG core technology, this is not an ordinary dehumidifier. It's another level product. It's like the superheroes of dehumidifiers. It is so durable, high quality, and easy to use. Elevate your interior and beat the humidity with this summer. And trust me, you will wonder how did you live without it. The LG dehumidifier is on promotion now. Check out the caption for more details. Stay cool, my friends. Stay cool.